Today we are crocheting this lovely textured stitch pattern. It's ideal for many things like scarves or blankets. So let's start. For this stitch pattern you need 7 stitches always for the repeat, and then you need 7 more for the start and end of the row so that you get it symmetrical. I have 4 repeats, and for that I need 35 stitches. I have 3 missing here. So here I have 35 stitches, and that will give me 4 repeats. We are just making double crochets and chains. And I'm using American crochet terms. American double crochet is treble if you are using British terms. 1 yarn over. And we start by making 1 double crochet into the 4th stitch from the hook. Here. And another one right next to it in the next stitch. And then we skip 2 and we'll make a fan shape in the 3rd one. Double crochet and another one in that same stitch. Then chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in that same stitch. And this is actually what we repeat for this base row. The other rows are slightly different. So skip 2 and a double crochet in the 3rd one and the one after. And then we skip 2 and make that fan in there with 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets all in the same stitch. Wrong hole. Okay. And repeat like this until close to the end of your chain. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. So here, and to get the end identical with the start of the row, I again skip 2 and then 2 twice a double crochet into the stitch, and then for the end chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. Then for turning, chain 3, and this is now the wrong side of the work, and otherwise we are doing the rows in a very similar way, but there's one difference between the right side and the wrong side. To get these raised double crochets on both sides of the fans, we need to make the front and the back differently. On the wrong side, always where we have these 2 double crochets, we are making a back post double crochet. So start a double crochet, insert the hook around that double crochet on the previous row, like that, and then get the yarn there and finish it off normally. And the same with the other one. Yarn over, hook from the back to the front and back again, and then get the yarn there and finish the double crochet. We don't see yet really how it's going to look. And then we continue with the fan shape, and we always make it in that chain space of the previous fan. So a double crochet in that chain space and another one, chain 1 and again 2. There. And then we continue the same. So the next 2 again, back post double crochets, from the back, like that. and then again 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets in that chain space, and continue like that until almost the end of the row. So I have continued until the end of the row now almost, and we finish off by chaining 1 and then 1 double crochet into that chain space at the end of the row. Like that. And then we always chain 3 for turning. And now we are on the right side of the work, and here we will do these 2 double crochets always as front post double crochets. So yarn over and insert the hook around the previous double crochet, first going from front to back and then back. Like that. And then finishing off the double crochet. And another one, yarn over, in towards the back and round, and the yarn over there, and finishing off the double crochet. So we see that these are starting to be a bit raised there now. And then this here bit is always the same. You have 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochets in that chain space in the middle. And this is how you continue. So the next one again, front post double crochet, and another one, and so on. So continue. So it started to look like this here, and at the end, whichever row you have, always chain 1 and a double crochet in the chain space at the end of the previous row. So this is simply what you continue. Every second row, the fans are always the same, both directions, and then on the wrong side you do a back post double crochet, and in the front a front post double crochet. And you can continue this as long as you want, and it doesn't even need any border. You can just stop it at any time. I'll do a bit more. So this is what it looks like, and you can make it any size. And also check out this playlist of many different types of stitch patterns. Until next time.